Hi guys, I'm here to discuss with you a very important topic, and that is that I keep getting these compliments on my eyebrows and eyelashes. First of all, I want to tell you guys that this has been tattooed over, okay? So let's start first with the eyebrows. Kasi alam nyo ba ano nangyari? Kanina, meron akong friend, sabi niya sa akin na, "Huy, saan mo nagawa yung eyebrows mo? Ang ganda!" Sabi niya. So, ang dami kong mga sinasabi-sabi. And then, I was thinking na since si friend, nagtanong siya, I might as well tell it to my other friends, which is kayo guys. So, first take a look at my eyebrows here, no? If you notice, dito na side, meron siyang parang line or something. And dito din, same din. See, my line there? That is because, guys, na-tattoo siya. Now, saan ba ako nagpagawa ng tattoo for this, no? This was done in Let's Face It. Now, I know there's a lot of genius tattooers out there. Meron akong isang kakilala, in-avail niya na tattoo niya is yung ano talaga, yung nilalagyan ka ng buhok isa-isa. This is tattoo, guys, ha. Iba ang tattoo sa paglalagay ng buhok. So this one nilagyan nila ako ng tattoo side, and let's face it, I did this around 5 years ago or so, and look, it is still alive. So ayun. And ano ba yung ginawa dito? First of all, yung ginawa sa kanya is may isang product and then ididikit niya dyan. And then, magkakaroon ka ng parang scab, malaking scab dito. So, first, let's organize our thoughts. Magkano nga ba ang presyo? Let's talk price. Ayun. So, yung kakilala ko na nagpalagay ng isa-isang mga buhok dyan para for the natural look, no? That cost her 20,000 pesos. Okay? Just to have yung mga tigi-isa-isa dyan na buhok. Now, for me, a very tipid na mare, and that was 5 years ago, ang presyo na pinagawa ko sa Let's Face It is 3,000 to 5,000 pesos, guys. So, that's it in the terms of the price, 3,000 to 5,000 pesos. Alright. Then, ano ba yung expectations once nasa Let's Face It ka na? First, ang expect mo is itatanong kanila kung anong shape ba ng eyebrows ang gusto mo. Now, remember ha, there's maybe around 10 different types of eyebrow shape. Meron yung pa-curve, meron yung pa-derecho, and then pa-derecho ulit. You know, there are many different types of eyebrows. So, before you go, or during your time going there, make sure to know what to expect, diba? Know kung ano ba yung eyebrows na babagay sa'yo, o kung ano yung ganda sa kalooban mo. But at the same time as well, know na yung eyebrows na to, hindi siya basta-basta lang na kung ipabahala mo na sa iba. Make sure din na alam mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. If not, do a consultation. Libre naman mag-consult with yung gagawa ng eyebrows mo. Parang titingnan niya yung face shape mo, titingnan niya yung bagay sa'yo. But at the same time, again ha, you need to know yourself. You need to make sure na kilala mo din sarili mo because you're the one who's going to live with those eyebrows. So, make sure na alam mo din what you want, no? Next up, after that, what are my care tips na pagkatapos ng eyebrows? My care tips for the eyebrows, no, is to make sure na magsascab kasi yan Kumbaga may parang sugat, may sugat na mangyayari dyan for the tattoo ha. So, ang gagawin nyo is to make sure na hindi hindi mo siya isa-scratch, hindi mo siya tatanggalin. Because if you tanggal that, I don't know if you notice, but may section dito na hindi perfect. Because tinanggal ko yung scab na yon before pa siya ready na tanggalin. So, make sure na tiisin nyo lang yung 2 weeks na may scab dyan para ma-transfer yung tattoo to your skin talaga. Okay? So, those are my care tips for the eyebrow side. Now, let's move on to the eyeliner side. Disclaimer, meron akong eyeliner ngayon. But trust me, below that eyeliner is also the tattoo eyeliner. And what to expect with the tattoo eyeliner? Actually, the tattoo eyeliner is very easy. Yun lang nga, isang line lang siya. And then, I think i-ask ka niya kung ano yung hardness level or gaano kakapal yung gusto mo. You know, it's also not so good pag masyadong makapal. So, it's best to just keep the tattoo as natural as possible, no? Yung wag naman yung masyadong makapal. So, yun. And then, the healing process is faster than the eyebrows. So, ayun, around 5 years na din to, it's still there. And, yeah, I like, let's face it, no? Although masyado siyang maraming mga ginagawa, ang dami niyang mga parang options of things to do for your body, face, which makes it minsan parang mahirap to know kung ano ba talaga yung specialty nila. But the one that did my eyebrows and eyeliner, I like it So, ayun, 5 years ago na siya. And it's quality for me. It's a good process for me, no? So, there you guys go. Cha-ching! Cha-ching! Ayun. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have some beauty questions to ask and other things that you would like to know more of. Okay, thank you guys. A lot of love.